Hey y'all, and welcome to Makeup 101 Lesson 3. In this video, I'll be discussing face brush. The brushes that I will be featuring in this video are foundation brushes, concealer brushes, powder brushes, contour, blush, and a few more. If you guys are not following me on my Instagram, please do so, and that way you won't miss any of my extra looks that I do. I do a lot of looks on my Instagram, and if I'm not posting videos, more than likely I am sharing cute looks and makeup looks. If you're new to my channel and you like my content, please feel free to subscribe. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share, and that would be very helpful for me and my channel's growth. And I really appreciate those of you who do share and who are subscribed, and I love you all. With that said and done, let's get into the video. Your fingers are a great tool also. So the flat foundation brush is used to apply foundation, and it also helps enable a smooth application. It's almost like using the paintbrush when you use this type of brush because of the way it's shaped. So a stippling foundation brush is good to apply full coverage makeup, and you can buff out the foundation and blend it together. It's a great tool for small areas. Powder brush is good for applying powder. You smooth out the powder and blend it together with the foundation, and mostly a circular motion, and you can pat it in and give it that full effect or that coverage that you want also. So this brush is called a spoon, and it's good for blending out concealers. A great tool for applying cream contour is a contour brush. And the face brush is used to blend the contour together. A mini contour brush is good for small areas like your nose. Fan brush is good for applying highlighter on your cheekbone and under your brow bone. Next up is another highlight brush, which is good for pinpointing certain areas that you want to highlight. The blush brush is for blush. It's good for one end is for applying, and the other end is perfect for smoothing out the blush. This brush is a stipple brush, and it's good for applying concealer also. Enjoyed this lesson and you've learned something and it was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any more of my lesson videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. They will be listed below also. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.